Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. Guys, in our last video, we have discussed about an AI camera with the help of which you can get detailed image description with text and face recognition. Now in this video, we will discuss one more interesting feature of that application, which is auto image description. And believe me, this feature I have never seen before. And this feature is really just amazing. Because with this feature, you can continuously get the image description and everything will happen automatically. Are you interested to show the demo? So keep watching this video till the end. Dear subscribers, if you are interested to donate us, you can donate us using the thanks button at the below of this video, or you can use the details given in the video description below. Guys, if you are interested to enjoy our exclusive content, join us as a member. Click on the join button to learn more. Guys, we are going to start our next batch of WordPress for Beginners course in April 2025. Those who are interested to join us this batch, don't forget to register now, because we are now season 5. We will start season 5, which means batch number 5. So guys, for more information, visit our website from the about page of channel. And this is for those who are really interested to design a website but do not wants to learn coding properly. So guys, the application name is Sullivan Plus. Links are available in the video description, on our Telegram channel, on our WhatsApp channel. So don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel also. We will post various tech news and other articles there. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel also. There we also post some other content. So guys, let's start. I have already discussed about the application. What is this application? How to download this application? How to create the account? So if you missed that video, visit our AI related playlists so that you can easily find this. Now let me open the application.
Sullivan Plus. Capture.
As you know that at the bottom
selected.
you will find
tab AI mode
this
1 of 11.
11 tabs.
List,
So
11
first tab we
items.
discussed. Today we will discuss the next tab, which is
Tab auto image description. Auto capture on button. Out
so
of
now
list.
auto image description
Detected
means
image a logo for a company.
here you will find one button. You just need to start capturing. Automatically it will capture images. After a certain period, it will give the description, and after the description it will again take image and give description until unless you will stop this. This is a very useful feature, especially when you are unknown place and you need this. This is really amazing feature. I request you to use this feature once and then let me know your experience into the comment section. So what you do, just go to this mode, and below that you will find
Auto capture on
auto
button.
capture.
Detected image
Just
a logo
turn this
for a
on
company.
by double tapping it and see what's happening. Firstly it will vibrate and then it will give announcement. So see.
There is a black mat on a wooden table with a blue truck picture on it. It's a green and purple cabinet with a mirror. There is luggage on the cabinet next to the window. A black bag sits on a purple dresser with a green border and a mirror next to it. I can see the hands of a person sitting in front of a black table. There is a black MP3 player on a wooden table, and a person's legs are visible next to it. I see a person wearing black clothes and I see a light green light. You can see 2 white outlets with cords plugged in. Auto capture off button. There is a newspaper spread on the floor and a black machine is placed on top of it. Auto capture on button detected.
So guys,
Image,
now you
view
understand
photos, button.
this, that how actually it is announcing continuously. So when it is announcing, you can just move your camera, then it will automatically capture the image by vibrating, and it will announce the things. Okay, by the way, I think it will take images from left side, I mean front and back both, so that's why some of part of this video is blur, so you cannot see these things, some of part due to my privacy. So thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like the video, share the video and subscribe to our official channel for more useful tips and tricks with screen readers. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.